Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to fix your device is not compatible with this version Android or iOS in your Google Play Store or App Store. So first of all, you can support me by liking my video and subscribing my channel. Let me guide. So first of all, you have to just minimize it. And you have to just click on your Android or iOS settings and then click on my phone or about your phone. If you not find here this option, then you have to just click on the systems and then find here your about phone option. I just click on my phone option here, and then you have to just check the version of your Android or iPhone. Like my version is 10, so I just minimize it and open my Google Chrome and search here for the new tab. And now you have to just search for that app that you want to download from the Play Store or App Store, but you not find it. And now you have to just search here the app name plus your version of Android phone. Like I am searching for the Fortnite and then the Android version or iPhone version and then download. Okay, after doing so you have to just search for it, and now you have to just click on the first website, and after that you have to just scroll down, and now you will find here an option of download. Just click on it and then the download has been started, and after this your game or app will automatically start to download or installing in your Android or iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in my video's description. So that's all for this video. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.